Hello, this is Aaron with ANETcomputers.com. Hola, buenas, es Ron con ANETcomputers.com. Otro video para ti hoy. Software problems, problemos. External hard drive media player. Play AVI FLV WMV with Seagate. You just bought a Seagate Free Agent Theater Plus media player. Specifications say it will play FLV and AVI file types, but yours did not play those formats. You used a software program, WinAVI Video Converter 10.5, to convert to WMV, but a machine did not also play those WMV videos. However, it did play WMV files you downloaded directly from YouTube. What should you do to make it play FLV, AVI, and converted WMV file types, you ask? I would install a Free Agent Theater Plus firmware update and Free Agent Theater Sync software. If that doesn't resolve your issue, I can try to find some conversion software that will convert playable videos, as other people have this issue as well. You install that firmware software onto your media player. Sync software is installed on your Vista computer, and you can use other operating systems. It's not just exclusive to Windows Vista. XP 7, 8, possibly 10, possibly. Maybe you have to run it in compatibility mode. Anyways, both of those links have installation instructions. You will need a USB memory stick to perform firmware upgrade. If you don't have one, then you won't be able to upgrade device firmware. You can install Theater Sync software on Windows Vista first and see if that helps first. That firmware update is more complicated to perform. You can download this free video converter software. Let's go check out firmware. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyways, GoFlex TV and Free Agent Theater Plus firmware update page. There's version 2.2.3 released February 2011. Features added, main, bug fixes. And then it goes back to version 2.20. As my dumb device, Android, notifies me of a message. Sorry. Okay, anyway, next page. Free Agent Theater Sync software. You have to accept first before you have to accept this user agreement first. But we'll go to the instructions really quick for you. Download the Theater Sync zip file to your Windows system. That's step 1. Step 2, double click the Theater Sync zip and extract the contents into a folder of your choice. So you have to unzip that file. Step number 3, after extraction, click on the Install Free Agent Theater icon and choose your preferred language to complete the installation. Step 4, for help on using the software after the installation is completed, click the blue question mark in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. So you upgrade your firmware first. Then you download this Free Agent Theater Sync software, and then hopefully that will allow you to play those certain file types that weren't playing before. If that doesn't resolve your issue, instead of possibly, and then look at the compatible operating systems. Windows XP, Vista 32-bit, and Windows 7 32-bit. It does not stipulate Windows 8 or Windows 10, but I think you could possibly, if you wanted to, try to install or run it in compatibility mode, and it might work. But instead of tinkering and possibly wasting time or pulling hair out that's not necessary, you could download this free video converter with millions of happy users. Any video converter free, it's free, as you can see here. Convert video between any formats freely. Look at the formats supported. These are the input video formats: MP4, MPEG, VOB, WMV, 3GP, 3G2, MKV, MOD, MTTS, RMVB, AVI, MOV, FLV, F4V, DVR-MS, TOD-DV, MXF, OGG, WM. Now these are the support output files. I'm not going to read those because you can see them on screen. So input video file and then export it to output, and then it also gives you the supported output devices. It's completely free and highly recommended. Hopefully this information was productive and you are now able to play AVI, FLV, WMV files with your Seagate media free agent media player You can always browse to anetcomputers.com for other possible potential tips, information, and tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Thank you for listening. Adios.